Today I'm going to demonstrate for you a new product that I received in the mail, which is the hand press juicer. This is a favorite tool of mine to use when I want freshly squeezed juice in the morning and I'm in a hurry. For this particular tool that I'm going to use for the hand juice presser, I got it on Amazon, so I'm going to put it in the link down below. To get started this morning, I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the side so that you can see what's going on here. I use this glass jar, and what I normally do is just place it underneath this particular area so that it can catch the juice that I'm going to press. I'm going to use a ceramic knife, and generally all I'm trying to do is just center it on the inner cone that's inside the presser. And I'm going to just try and see if I can squeeze these sides in. And I'm having to hold it at the top only because I'm trying to press it for you on the screen on the side. Normally, I would turn it in the other direction. And you keep on pressing until it hits this stopper piece right here. Generally, I'm actually turning it this way so that I can squeeze it, and it'll give me the opportunity to have or not use as much pressure. I have a hard time here, like I said, because this is a lot bigger than what I'm used to. I'm going to put this one aside because it's giving me so much juice. In fact, I'm about halfway through with that one grapefruit. So I'm going to turn it back around for you. Do it this way. I also have an organic orange. Again, I'm going to just cut it halfway. You want to make sure you get it as pretty much in the middle in terms of slicing it as much as possible so that it fits nicely on the cone. And when I say the cone, I'm talking about the inside of the presser. And this is a lot easier. You can see I didn't have to use as much pressure. With as much pressure with this particular one as I did with the grapefruit. And this, I'm going to put this one in as well. Normally when I get started in the morning, I prefer to have something that's a little bit sour, such as lemon, in order to start my day. And generally I have to slice and press 2 grapefruit. However, today, with it being so large, I only needed 1. I'm going to use an organic lime as well. Cut that in half. Put that up there. These are very easy to press. Generally don't require a lot of pressure. Sometimes I just let it sit just for a few more seconds because the juice, you can hear it still going through the drain with the suction area. So there's a little cup on the inside that has some holes in it. I'll let that go through. And while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to go ahead and cut another lime. Just cut it in half. This item that I received, I felt like it was a really great price. I don't have to use any electricity. It just requires a little bit of manpower. I have a juicer that's automatic, but when I'm pressed for time, I prefer to go this route by just doing a hand press for my juice in the morning. That one didn't sound like it had that much juice. Okay, so I have one more orange to do. And generally I don't like to use as many oranges because it can turn out to be really sweet. And I generally don't want that. But this morning I'm going to do something a little bit different. You can see I didn't cut this as evenly as I mentioned earlier. But looks like it's doing a nice job. A little bit more than 16 ounces of juice.